Press any key for options when done, or just hang up.
So this is a recording about the current situations in the sky right now. Just a quick recording. We have the moon is going to be going through the section of the Zodiac this week. I'm making this recording on Wednesday. So the moon is going through Gemini right now. It's joined the south node. It's aspected by Saturn. So we've had a couple days this week so far with the moon in Taurus, which is about connection to people. Gemini is also about people, communication. It's ruled by Mercury. Very what's called Rajasic section of the Zodiac, and it's actually the signs from Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, and Libra are actually the inner part of the Zodiac, the part of the inner Zodiac where we work through a lot of our personal stuff. These are what are called Rajasic and also Sattvic signs, except Virgo, which is Tamasic. But basically what this means is that this is a lot of personal development, because these are the signs that are ruled by Mercury and Venus and the Sun and Moon. So the two luminaries, Sun and Moon, and then Mercury and Venus. These are all planets that are on the internal part, or on the inner Zodiac, which means they're the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Moon, and Earth are all between the Sun and the Earth. Then the rest of the Zodiac, which means the signs from Scorpio, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, and Aries, these are all ruled by planets that are outside the orbit of the Earth, which are Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. These are the visible planets. So that section of the Zodiac from Scorpio through Aries has to do with these things that take us beyond just our personal development, personal growth, and life on Earth. For the most part, this is a general statement, but it's also generally true. Mercury and Venus are the two planets that are what are called Rajasic, and our life on Earth is Rajasic. The Rajasic nature of life shows how we make a choice between something that is uplifting and spiritual, which is sattvic in nature, or something that's maybe not taking us closer to spirit, more oriented toward form and structure, like which is called tamasic. So things that strengthen form and structure and separateness, or things that strengthen connection, expansion, growth, intelligence, which is sattvic. So we're working on these themes this week and for much of next week. So a very interesting thing to realize that a lot of your activities this week are going to be oriented toward things that bring you in contact with people and things of that nature, and so you want to be aware of those kind of interactions. And so within that, the Sun is still what's called debilitated right now in Libra. It's joined Venus and Mercury, so it's a very creative time, but we might be lacking some confidence. The sign of Libra is also what's called hemmed between Mars and Saturn, which means our relationships and interactions with others are feeling quite stressful, especially now that Mars is in Scorpio. So it's a lot of other things going on, but within that, we're doing a lot with our interpersonal relationships this week. So you should really notice that and do your best to aspire toward the sattvic quality, toward the goodness, the righteousness, the forgiveness, and the tolerance with others. So I hope that's helpful, and leave some comments. Tell me what you think of that.